when I first found out that EmSculpt was an option at Capitol Health, I was thrilled. So I am a mom of 3. They are 11, 9, and 6. And as you know, or maybe don't know, having children can really alter your body. It is not the same body that you had before you had children. So after I had Caspian, it was a little bit of a traumatic birth, and I had a lot of pelvic floor issues. I had ab issues, and I did the exercises, I did the physical therapy, and that was fantastic. I'm at a stage of life now where I want to play with my boys. I want to run with them. I want to kick a soccer ball. I want to go hiking with my husband. I want to do all these physical activities. And I was being held back. My pelvic floor was not strong enough. I could not handle jumping or kicking or doing any of those things, and without pain, without incontinence and things like that. After the first 2 sessions, I felt a little bit of a difference. I tried kicking a soccer ball as hard as I could with my boys and had no issues. After 4 sessions, I felt a little bit better, even than I had before. And then after all of the sessions, it has made a world of difference. And now I am a month out from my last session, or a month and a half maybe. And I cannot even tell you what a difference it has made from the start of this experience to the end. I, as a mom, was at a point in my life where there was no next step for me. I could not do more exercises. I am working out an hour a day. Nothing was changing for me. And this took me from being able to spend time with my kids, watching them do the activities they did, to jumping in and spending time with them and doing those activities with them. So I'm over the moon. Before, when I was kicking a soccer ball, I would have literally pelvic pain. It would be a sharp pain when I kicked that ball. I would have leaking. Honestly, it was pain going into the next day. It almost felt as though I was pulling something that didn't want to be pulled. And now when I kick a soccer ball, no pain, no leaking. All 3 of my kids are in soccer. So when my oldest 2 have a game, I'm hanging out with my 6-year-old, and we kick a ball for, almost the entire game. And absolutely no issues anymore. So I combined and did EmSella and the EmSculpt NEO. After I had Caspian, my 6-year-old, I had extreme diastasis. And again, all the exercises. And it did help a ton. But there was a point in which I couldn't really hold myself up as well. Sitting straight for long periods of time were hurting my abs. Post EmSculpt, 1, I have more ab definition, which I love from an aesthetic standpoint. 2, I am able to carry my children differently. I am able to do yoga differently. My balance has improved because my core can hold me up now. I can do full workouts that actually use my whole body versus me compensating. I can run better because, again, my core is stabilizing every aspect of me. So I think what I've realized with combining EmSculpt and EmSella is that it really is important to not just think about parts of your body, but think about how your body works together and as a whole, and all of the things that unlocks for you when you are moving and just living in your body.